Like TeamViewer, there is another application which is completely free as of now, at least, which you can use it with with anyone. That's called UltraViewer. So we will try Ultra. Click on download. UltraViewer is downloaded. Click and run as administrator. Next, next, next. Install. Click on finish. If you want to give access to your system, then you have to share this ID and password. Or if you want to access some other PCs, then you have to enter their UltraViewer ID and password over here, and click on connect to password, connect to partner. After that, it will connect. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.